best French Bulldog, Drogo. Our best American Bully, Tatanka. Our hybrid, Maximus. And our XL Sigma. Battle it out for the best in show. So can we show them the trophy for the best in show? Can we show them the trophy for the best in show? Ladies and gentlemen, here is the best in show trophy. Oh, and wow, a cage from PS Gadgets. Oh, sorry, this is not the guy. Who gave this cage? Who gave this cage?
Samsung Stainless business.
Samsung Stainless. Oh, from Samsung Stainless, and this is from Qualimat.
Oh, Milo Troyan.
And this one is from Parks Avenue PH.
Fully merged.
I saw the Parks Avenue PH. And this one is from Bully Grind. This one is also from Parks Avenue PH, Arm & Hammer, and different freebies. And of course, and now for our hybrid, Maximus. I can feel the intensity. Oh, like me. And now for Sigma, our XL. Here we go. Side stack. Ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be a competition for our French Bulldog, American Bulldog Hybrid, and XL. And here we go, our judge is getting on his count for the last award of this event of the ABR PABR 2024. Are we gonna see another moves from our judge? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are very fortunate to have our international judge of ABR, Sir Mario Disco Mutterly, and our chief of operations of ABR, Miss Angela Hard Knocks. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for sticking with us. I'll have the heartbeat for you guys. And the best in show goes to... Congratulations, our best in show of the ABR 2024 goes to Tatanka. Congratulations to Tatanka. And of course, to the other winners, our French Bulldog, our Hybrid, and our XL. Grabe po, yung naging competition po natin. And we are very fortunate to have our international judges and for all of you who supported here. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, huwag nila nakalimutan si Uno.